I am a concert rock violinist. I take classical music and combine it with rock music.
He's here to expose our kids to all the possibilities of music. One of our goals here is we want kids to be lifelong musicians and see what happens besides music class.
I love to take my music, play it for the kids. I think it's great for kids to see all different ways for people to be creative.
In music class, kids learn about the notes. They learn about a lot of musicians that are from the past. Now we're bringing the past to the future and to do the contemporary, and kids really dig that.
I think it was pretty great.
At one point it kind of sounded like techno, then rock.
This sort of brings it to life. They can see a real musician, they can see my fingers musing, they can hear me make the mistakes and just sort of roll with it and have fun, because music is an exchange.
I think it's important because we need a whole child educational experience here at William Walker. I think kids need to see how great music is, because music in every subject area inspires you to be better.